In this video, I'm going to show you how to put Wix website under maintenance. Let's get started. First, you want to go to Pages and Menu and make sure that you have a maintenance page. This is my homepage. I've created a maintenance page so that whenever they visit the website, I want it to land here. Now, you want to go through the three dots and Show in Menu. We want to hide the maintenance page on the menu bar. So you want to go to the three dots on the maintenance page, then go to Settings, then click on Hide from Menu. Next, what you want to do is to set this as the home page. Now on Layout, you want to add no header and no footer. Let's preview this. So you can see, whenever they go to our Wix website, it lands on the maintenance page. And that's about it. That's how to put Wix website under maintenance. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.